Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. Today we have another Totallee case that Jenna sent it to me because I request for a Samsung S10 Plus. She sent me the Samsung S10e S10, but at first I thought she was going to send me the S10 Plus within one of those cases. So actually, I got the cases just now from the post office. Of the postman. So this is the new one that I just got. I'm so excited to unbox this one. So let's go ahead and get this open. So here's another postcard that's from Jenna. She said, "Hey Jeb, sorry for the mix-up. Let me know if there is anything else you need, Jenna." So I want to give it a shout out to thank you, Jenna, for sending me this case again to do a review. So let's go check out this case. It has a nice presentation, nice box that goes with it. And you can check on their website. I'll be also including a link that's going to show on below, so you can check them out. So this is something new. All right, so this is the like an ice crystal or crystal ice color. This is a super ultra thin. So in case you don't want your case to be super bulky, this would be a nice case that go with it. So as you can see, I got my new and latest Samsung S10 Plus. So let me just put this on for you guys real quick. Wow, look at that. So as you see, it has a laser cut button, or the laser cut out. So all your button will be showing or protruding. And so it's a 3.5 millimeter jack. Not sure what's going on with this camera. 3.5 millimeter jack right there, and then you got the USB Type-C, your microphone, and then your speaker grill that's been laser cut out. And also on this power button, it shows pretty nicely. And there is your another microphone hole right there that's been cut out. So check back on the back of the camera. So the S10 and then the S10 Plus has a triple camera system. And you got the LED right there. So yeah, it is pretty thin and actually this is a super ultra thin. So it's protect your frame from getting scratched or in case you drop it on the floor. and even your backing. Since mine is a ceramic instead of a Gorilla Glass Gorilla 6, so still you want to protect your glass from scratching or from getting a scratch. So this is for the S10e. So in case you guys want to see what's the difference, this one's just like a black, and this one's ice, crystal ice. They also have some silicone clear case. You can check them out. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.